How's your wee, man? Oh, bro, how's your... If that were gagawin... Ay, mamaya na yung mga antics yan, ha? Later na. You finish the race first. Sige nga, go na to your next race. What's your next race? Bro, do you know the next race we're gonna go to is the volcano? Why don't you choose the map for me? Okay. Tapos by that time, you will let your friend get your steering wheel. And then he will choose the race for you. Am I right? Yeah, ganun lang. And you know what happens, guys? Oh, no. We're ready to go to the hard races. Yeah, and do I remember, after that, you will always let them talk about the food. So, we will do that na lang in the second show. For now, we will just film muna every race. So, our timer is here. Are you ready? So that's how you're gonna do na your racing episode. Let's go! Alright, here we go. Let's go. This way. Banana, no. Yes! Yeah! Alright. Stupid. What? Kuya Raver? No! Stupid. Now what? Hey! Gago ka, Mamkate! Takin mo! May kasi ako, tapos na yun, gumanon ka sa akin. Ay, tago ka, wala kang alam. Wala kang alam. Takin mo, sayon manabat. O, pigil, o, pigil. Bobo, gago, evan, wisit, tado. No, tado! Hoy, don't shout! Sorry. Kaya sabi ko, lower down your voice. Iyan mo kasi, takin mo. Bobo kayo kasi, no! Ay, hindi kasi Imam Kati were here. Yes. Okay, ito na. Gonna catch that Baby Ranger. Oy, gago, bilis naman talaga si Baby Ranger. Where do I go? No. Yes! Oh, that was supposed to... I thought I died already. Stop. Whatever you do now, baby, no! Take that, no! Fuck! Come on, I'm supposed to hit the rails. Gago kayo! Bobo kayo, wala kayong isip sa buhay. Tado! No! Who the fuck put the bomb there? Oh, I know it. That AC Martinez is now catching up for... No! Stop! Moron! Asshole. I'm trying to speed up so I can get there as quick as I can. Just before you know it, you homies. Yeah! Thank you! Yes! Save! Yes! Save! I didn't die. This way! What's up, Kuya Raver? There's no way that you're gonna win this one now. Yeah! I'm gonna win this one. I'm gonna climb up the steepest mountain until no. The very moment when I jump until I win! Yes! Bayan, you won! Congratulations! Wah! See that? Bro, basta just what I said, if in case lang talaga you can finish the beat race because you need to leave, I have a video already to show you everything in details. Ayaw mo lang, bro. I have to tell you pala tomorrow, no calling. Yeah! And that's how you go to the race, everybody. That's how I was able to beat you guys at the Grumble Volcano. So tell me, guys, what did you eat during the break? Did you enjoy? Tol. Masama yun. Oh yeah, di ba remember you can make your puppets and like that? Very good. Kaya that's better pa like that, no? Very good. Para instead of showing the video, you can already do na lang like this. So what did you eat during the break, Hans? Did you enjoy? Oh yeah, I was able to eat something like this. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, look at this. It's a yummy cheeseburger. Yay! Yummy cheeseburger. Sponsored by my favorite idol, BB. Baby Luigi loved cheeseburger. We ate the cheeseburger during the break. Let's take a bite. Oh
Oh yeah, Wario love cheeseburger. It's his favorite snack. Yum, 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 yum. See the burgers? You can see to? Oh, yan. And that's why in the second show, you can show na the exclusives or the antiques, di ba? So, as you can see, ito yung burger, di ba? Ito yung nasa taas. Tapos, ito yung bun. Ito yung patty. Tapos, yung cheese ay nandito. Yan. Tapos, nakita mo yung naka-pink doon ay yung mayonnaise. I know who wants it talaga more than ever. And it's Duterte! Oh, sarap yan! Yum! Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Sarap! Okay na yan! Buwahahaha! Hay, nako! Duterte! Kurakot ka! Pagkain ko yun eh! Oh, yeah! I love the cheeseburger. Anyway, so that was very, very nice and very intense. I love racing at the volcano. Tol! Diba? What did I tell you? Watch your language. Then Ma'am Cathy will come now. Because Teacher Cathy will come. Then you very nice, no? Kaya better pa na lang like that. Rapi. Habang naglaro ka sa volcano, nagmura ka na naman. Sorry po, Ma'am Cathy, kasi po, ang daming tulak eh. Tapos palagi ko nahulog sa lava. Lol. Next time, if I were you, if you're racing in the volcano, race slowly. Correct. Sabi ni Kyle Kawile, huwag ka maging mabilis. Kung maging mabilis ka, mahulog ka. Like, di ba, Rafi, what did I tell you when you solve your math? Do you solve your math very fast? Like, for example, 32 times 7. Do you have to solve it very quickly? You have to double check. Take it slow. Kung naging mabilis ka, all your solution will be wrong. Gets mo na ba, Rafi? Yes po, Ma'am Cathy. I still remember that. So listen ha. Kyle, Kinsley. Patuloy mo talaga si Rafi ha. Do you know, Ma'am Cathy, do you know Kinsley Napoles is my convoyer in that episode? Because my gaming console had a breakdown, and that's the reason why I'm asking Kyle Kawile or Kinsley Napoles, you can see here, to watch my game to see if he can be a fast racer. So he is a fast racer and he's now comforting me all throughout the race. Kinsley ha, patuloy mo talaga si Rafi sa excitement niya dahil balagi siya maingay. Okay? Yes po, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, Ma'am Corina. Anyway, on to our next race. Yan.
I'm very sorry talaga, bro, to tell you the whole truth tomorrow na, wait lang, bro, I have to choose the next race muna. What's the next race? What was our castle? Yes! Welcome aboard! Yan, and pwede naman, you can do voice intro with your friends there. Pero the mga antics, next time na lang yun, okay? Just like that. Bro, basta I have a plan tomorrow, ha? Because tomorrow I have to go to church and do my stuff. Tapos tomorrow evening, I cannot call you first. I have to do some laptop work tomorrow. So therefore, I will call you again on Saturday na lang. So kailangan sa Sabado, mag-lure tayo ng uno. Okay? Sa Sabado lang tayo mag-uno. Basta may plan for laptop will be Wednesday, Friday for this week. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, I'm playing Wii. Right now, I'm playing Mario Kart 8. Para sure I can test the Wii warranty. To see if it can last for 3 hours. But don't let it shut down, ha? Basta if you're done already with all the 32 races, do not play anything else, okay? Just let it stop already when you need to. Understand? Or you can already get all the photos that you need for your, no! What did you say, bro? Basta sa Sabado, kailangan kitang tasawagin para sa uno game. Sabado. What the fuck, no. Yeah, kasi on Saturday at early evening, I'm watching TV that time eh. So, kailangan dapat mga 10 plus. 10 plus kayo may magtawag. Mga 10 plus. Or mga 10 plus, 11 plus,
Yeah, I know. I just have to finish the film.
Stupid! What the heck, Jordan? No! Stupid! No, 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 no! Ah, Brother Delwinky, no! What the fuck? Stupid! Item box! No way! Basta, bro, you have to help me finish this race. Kasi nga, kailangan I need your help before the we will die and overheat. You know man talaga, bro, my wheel now will overheat na eh. So now I need your help to stay with me all throughout the game to see if it can over... No! Fuck! Stupid! Bros!
Stupid. I always keep on falling.
Yeah, kailangan dapat by 10 plus, I'm already calling you now because I'm watching TV at those early evening eh. Kailangan ko mag-download ng PvP, Rainbow Roll, and then, ano yun, other stuff. Wait lang bro, I have to focus muna, I need to win. Kasi po the other racer...
What the fuck? I'm almost there. Come on, come on. Don't let me. What the fuck? Hey, Eliza, what are you doing there? You're supposed to keep me down. Because I'm going to win. You already know it.
Stop the fucking shit!
Fourth, it's alright.